Imagine waking up one morning, opening your laptop, and seeing money deposited into your account while you slept. Not from a traditional 9 to 5, not from hours of tedious work, but from AI-generated videos, shorts that practically make themselves. It sounds unbelievable, right? But today, I am going to show you exactly how I do it, how much I earn, and how you can start making real money using AI-generated shorts. Stick around, because what I am about to share is not just theory, it is proof, and it could completely change the way you see online income. Now, before anyone starts thinking this is some kind of get-rich-quick scheme, let me be clear, it is not. It takes strategy, creativity, and consistency. But the beauty of AI-generated shorts is that once you know the system, you can scale faster than almost anything else online. Today, I will break it down in simple steps, give real examples, and even compare some methods with famous creators like Mr. Beast or Zach King. So you can see how small, AI-powered videos can compete with big names and still generate high income. Understanding AI-generated shorts. So, what exactly are AI-generated shorts? These are short videos, usually between 30 seconds and 1 minute, that are created with the help of artificial intelligence. The AI can write scripts, generate voiceovers, create animations, or even edit clips automatically. Think of it as having a team of editors, writers, and voice actors at your disposal 24/7. For example, I use tools like ChatGPT for scripting, 11 Labs for realistic AI voiceovers, and Pictory or Runway for video creation and editing. By combining these tools, I can produce a short that is engaging, professional, and watchable in under an hour. Compare this to a traditional YouTuber who might spend 6 to 8 hours filming and editing a single short. The AI shortcuts allow me to make multiple shorts a day, each targeting trending topics, news, or viral niches. That volume is what drives my income. Finding profitable niches. One of the biggest secrets to making money with AI-generated shorts is knowing which topics actually earn. Not every video will perform well, and blindly creating content will waste your time. I focus on niches that consistently attract views and ad revenue, like motivational shorts, shocking facts, finance hacks, or celebrity news. For instance, a motivational short featuring a quote from Dwayne Johnson or Elon Musk can attract thousands of views because these names already have credibility. You do not even need them physically on camera. The AI voice can narrate, and stock footage or AI-generated visuals can make it look cinematic. I analyze trending topics on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and even Twitter to see what people are currently obsessed with. That way, my AI-generated shorts are not just random. They are designed to catch attention and get clicks. Scripting with AI. The foundation of any good short is a great script. I feed prompts into AI tools to generate scripts that are emotional, engaging, and concise. The AI can provide multiple options, but I usually tweak them manually to add personality. A good script has a hook in the first 5 seconds, builds tension in the middle, and delivers a satisfying punch at the end. For example, a short about Warren Buffett's investment strategies might start with, "Most people think you need millions to invest like Buffett, but here's what he really does." That line immediately grabs attention. Then, the AI-generated voiceover walks the viewer through actionable points in less than 60 seconds. Compare this to a human narrator. You get the same professionalism without spending money on a voice actor. AI voiceovers and audio. Once the script is ready, the next step is voiceover. Human voices can be expensive, and recording takes time. I use AI-generated voices from 11 Labs or similar platforms. These voices sound incredibly natural and can convey emotion, urgency, or excitement depending on the script. You can even create multiple voices for a single video, which adds dynamic storytelling. For example, I did a short comparing Jeff Bezos and Elon Musk's approaches to business. The AI could narrate Bezos in a calm, steady voice, and Musk in a slightly faster, energetic tone. This little detail makes a huge difference in engagement. And when viewers stay longer, YouTube rewards the video, which increases monetization. Video creation and editing with AI. After scripting and voiceover, it is time for visuals. AI video tools like Pictory, Runway, or Synthesia can take your script and voiceover and generate a fully animated video with stock footage, transitions, text overlays, and even background music automatically. Here's a comparison. If a creator like Mr. Beast manually edits each clip, it might take hours or days. With AI, I can create a short that looks polished and cinematic in 30 to 40 minutes. You can also make multiple versions for A/B testing. For instance, one version might highlight the voiceover, while another uses fast-paced visuals. This experimentation helps you find the version that gets the most views, which directly increases revenue. posting strategy and optimization. Creating videos is only half the battle. You also need to know how to post them for maximum reach. I focus on uploading consistently, usually 2 to 3 AI-generated shorts per day. The AI allows me to maintain volume without burning out. Each video is titled, tagged, and described with trending keywords to make sure YouTube's algorithm picks it up. I also analyze analytics like watch time, click-through rate, and audience retention. If a certain type of short is performing better, like celebrity comparisons or shocking facts, I double down and make more videos in that style. For example, a short comparing the lifestyles of Tom Cruise and Brad Pitt went viral and got over 2 million views in a week. That video alone made several $100s in ad revenue, and it required almost no human editing, monetization, and income proof. Now, the part everyone is curious about: money. YouTube pays based on CPM, cost per meal, meaning how much advertisers pay per 1,000 views. AI-generated shorts can get thousands or even millions of views quickly if they hit the trending topics right. Some of my shorts have earned $50 to $200 per day, and the best ones reach over $500 in a single day. Multiply that by posting multiple shorts daily, and the income adds up fast. Let me give you real proof. Last month, I posted 60 AI-generated shorts across my channels. Out of those, 20 of them performed exceptionally well, earning over $3,500 in ad revenue alone. And this does not even include sponsorships or affiliate links I add into descriptions, which can double or triple the income. The best part is that once the videos are posted, they keep earning passively for weeks or months. Unlike traditional work, AI-generated shorts keep giving without constant effort. Scaling your AI short empire. Once you understand the system, scaling is the next step. I now run multiple channels, each focusing on different niches. One channel is for motivational shorts, another for celebrity news, and another for shocking facts or finance tips. Using AI, I can manage all channels simultaneously, creating hundreds of shorts per month without hiring a huge team. For comparison, traditional YouTubers like Zach King focus on highly creative magic content that takes hours per short. I focus on quantity plus strategic AI optimization. By analyzing analytics and scaling what works, you can turn AI-generated shorts into a consistent, growing income source. Eventually, the goal is to automate 80 to 90% of the process, leaving only minimal tweaks and supervision from me. This is how small creators can compete with big channels without spending thousands of dollars or hiring editors. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Many people fail with AI-generated shorts because they either copy content without adding value, ignore trends and analytics, spend too much time tweaking videos manually. I avoid these mistakes by relying on AI for efficiency, monitoring performance metrics daily, and focusing on niches that consistently earn. For example, I do not just make a short about Elon Musk facts. Instead, I make a short like Elon Musk's 3 weirdest business decisions that actually worked, which is specific, clickable, and optimized for engagement. Small details like this can mean the difference between a few hundred views and hundreds of thousands of views. The future of AI shorts and opportunities. Finally, let us talk about the future. AI technology is improving rapidly. Soon, AI-generated videos will be indistinguishable from human-created content. That means the opportunity for creators who master this now is massive. Platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels are hungry for consistent, engaging content. The creators who figure out AI shortcuts will dominate these platforms. Think about it. A few years ago, people laughed at the idea of automated voiceovers or AI animations. Today, they are mainstream. Imagine what will happen when AI can produce fully interactive videos with personalized viewer experiences. Those who start now will not just make money, they will set themselves up for exponential growth in the coming years. So there you have it, my complete system for making real money with AI-generated shorts. From scripting and voiceovers to editing and posting, everything is powered by AI. I have shown real examples, proof of income, and even compared methods to big creators like Mr. Beast and Zach King to show that small creators can compete. The best part, once your system is in place, the income becomes mostly passive. You can keep scaling, keep experimenting, and keep earning without burning yourself out. If you take this seriously and start creating AI-generated shorts today, you can turn this into a sustainable business. It is not magic. It is strategy, consistency, and AI working for you. The future is here, and the money is waiting. Do not wait for someone else to figure it out first. Start now and let AI do the heavy lifting while you watch your income grow.